While the entire crypto market is bleeding red, Bitcoin struggling below $70,000, and most altcoins are down to their all-time low. But Siren just pumped another explosive 300% move in the past week alone, reaching $4. Not once, but multiple times. Now, retail is FOMOing hard right now. I mean, this coin is real strength. But here's the thing, it just crashed hard, down over 60% in the last couple hours, and now sitting around $1. And if you understand the mechanics behind this pump, then you'll see that this is a classic setup that screams rug pull risk. So before you try to long this coin or even short this coin, watch this video. Like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas because we're exposing this scam crypto coin. Now, what is Siren actually showing us? Siren was a very old AI agent meme coin on the chain. Now, it was listed on Binance Alpha as well as Binance Futures. But it was a long time ago, and it seems like the volume was dead until just a couple weeks ago. It went from 5 cents to 38 cents in early February, and since then it went up to even $4 just 2 days ago. Now, the percentage gain isn't the important part. What matters is it's pumping while the rest of the market has zero liquidity and no real narrative. Retail sees that green candle and thinks that, hey, smart money must be rotating back to Siren, but here's the reality. It's simply the easiest coin to move because liquidity is paper thin and supply is extremely concentrated. Now, there are 4 very common reasons why this happens, and all 4 are flashing bright red on Siren right now. One is liquidity. It is again paper thin. A few $1 million in buys can send it flying like a rocket, and you can actually see it clearly right here. And liquidity is only around $10 million, while the market cap is sitting near $700 to $750 million. That means liquidity is barely over 1% of the market cap. In a healthy market structure, you would expect much deeper liquidity relative to valuation, but here the gap is massive. And reason number 2, supply is heavily concentrated, and this is the main reason. According to Arkham Intelligence and ZachXBT, the on-chain sleuth, one single entity controls about 88% of the entire circulating supply, about 644 million tokens, sitting in just 48 to 52 concentrated wallets, and they are linked to DWF Labs. Now, they are notorious for buying old dead projects and pumping and dumping it. Reason number 3 is the perfect timing for attention. Now, when the whole market is boring and bleeding, people are looking for pump plays. One breakout chart that can suck retail in like a magnet, and so they can make money by pumping it up, attracting people, and then dumping it on the retails. Now, final reason number 4 is that crypto Twitter has been calling out the manipulations for days. Multiple researchers have flagged the same clusters, showing how liquidity can be controlled and how price can be pushed or pulled when needed. If a few entities control most of the supply, they don't need the market to move the price. They just need attention and participation, and that's exactly what they get. And in a weak market, that's very easy to create. This is how setups like this can look strong on the surface while actually being extremely fragile underneath. But when reading these warnings on X and staying away, investors instead, well, I should call them gamblers to be honest with you, they get in because they're trying to make quick money because they thought that, hey, this must pump. I'm here to tell you that you should always avoid this project at all costs. Do not rush in to long or short because this setup traps people on both sides, okay? And I've seen it happen too many times. Look at what just happened, all right? Siren ran over 300% in a week and dropped more than 60% in under 24 hours. That kind of volatility alone tells you that this is not a stable structure. Now, think about the long side, okay? If you're entering after a 2 or 300% move, your realistic upside potential might only be another 20 or 30% before the resistance or distribution kicks in. But your downside is easily 50 to 70% loss if momentum flips, and that's not even counted in the leverage. So your risk to reward ratio is completely broken. And not to mention, when a coin is manipulated like this, it has thin liquidity and concentrated supply. It doesn't move normally. No, all it takes is one coordinated push or dump to squeeze the shorts or long. A 20 to 40% move in minutes is enough to liquidate most leveraged positions. And we've already seen multiple intraday spikes like that. So even if you're right that the coin should go down eventually, you can still get wiped out before it happens, because the market makers, again, they're the ones controlling the supply. They're the one looking at all the long and short orders on exchanges, and they're the one making the squeeze happen. You cannot win. And that is the trap. You can be right about direction, but still lose everything because of timing and structure. Let's compare it to previous similar coin. Okay, we've seen this movie before. But we have Doge and PayPay, which are real community, meme coin. They had real growth and liquidity thickened organically, right? It rode massively globally. Narrative, attention, it's all there. But Siren, on the other hand, has no strong narrative, no real community expansion. I mean, the Twitter account even got suspended or something, all right? There's no presence at all. Just a clean breakout on the chart, combined with extreme supply concentration. And this is where things start to look familiar. Looking back at COAI, for example, okay, on Binance Alpha, similar structure, similar coin, listed on Binance Alpha, listed on Binance Futures, okay, heavily concentrated. This token back then kept catching eyes as it relentlessly climbed and kept making new all-time highs. But the on-chain data told a different story. Extreme supply concentration. Again, top 10 wallets holding over 96 of the total supply. So the token went on a massive parabolic run because no one is there to basically enjoy the profits. 96% is held by insiders, searching thousands of percent, pushing the market cap well over $500 million before, look at that, a brutal reversal. If you dig into the data, you can clearly see a coordinated wallet activity, around 60 wallets buying in nearly identical patterns, executing highly synchronized, automated trades with tightly clustered timing. Bubble Maps analysis even pointed out that one single entity likely controlled over 50% of the top profitable wallets, netting around $13 million in collective profits. Coordinated funding and clustered trading activity across linked wallets. So this is clearly not random behavior. This is structured movement by market makers. And when you combine that with high supply concentration, thin liquidity, sudden spikes in attention, you get the exact conditions where price can be pushed up quickly and then distributed just as fast. So again, the key point is this: not every coin that pumps hard is actually getting stronger. Okay, some are simply easier to control. Okay, scams basically. So my tips is this, right? How to catch these coins early and stay safe. Before you FOMO into any coin that's pumping, right, randomly, just pause for a second and check three things. First, how long has it actually been outperforming the market? Okay, if it's only been pumping for 1 or 2 days, that's usually the most dangerous phase. Second, does the volume actually match the depth and the narrative? Okay, if volume looks high but the spread is still wide, that's a big red flag. Okay, if it moves up and down, candles are wide, that's not a bullish sign, because that means the coin is heavily controlled. Okay, and if the volume doesn't match the narrative, there's nobody talking about it, X account showing nothing, no community, no real person talking about it, then probably it is a scam pump. Okay, and third, after the pump, who's actually going to buy it from you? Now, if you want to catch these early without getting trapped, you need to change how you look at it. Stop looking at the price, looking at the real money and where it is actually moving. If a coin is outperforming, right, the entire market, but yeah, sure, put it into watch list, but don't rush to buy it, all right? If it's spiking and price moving hard on small orders, that's not real liquidity. And if social media is only talking about the chart and no narrative, no nothing behind it, that's usually just attention driven. So keep that in mind before you're FOMOing into any coins that's pumping weird, okay? If you're trying to long or short, don't, okay? Just stay away from it. It is a massive scam. You cannot win. Yeah, sure, you can win 1 or 2 long short orders, make a couple bucks, but if you go with high volume and a lot of money, the market makers, I want to show you, that they know that you are longing or shorting. They can read the statistics on CoinClass. They know the orders. They know how many people are trading futures on this one. Okay, how many people are holding this one. They know everything, and it's just a matter of time before they liquidate you. Okay, so if you already make money from longing or shorting these coins, great, you're lucky. All right, just get out and don't get involved for long because you're gonna get wrecked. And if you really want to gamble with these coins, then really go with low leverage. Okay, so be careful. The best way is to just stay away from these coins. All right, and that's it for my video warning you guys about Siren. Please stay away from this token. Right now, you're looking at it at like $1 and you're thinking that, hey, this must be the bottom, I should long now. Do not do it because it can go down a lot further. All right, I don't know too, because it could come up tomorrow, but it's just a scam pump. It will go down eventually. Okay, and if you're looking to short, also do not do that because they can liquidate your positions. Okay, so just stay away from this token. Okay, protect your capital first. That's what matters. Okay, don't try to make smart money, quick money with this token. Okay, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas for more videos like this, and comment down below what you guys think about Siren and which token I should do next. Thank you very much for watching. Daily out.